So our letter this week is the letter N. Nigel Night Owl N says n, n, n. It's different than M because when you say the sound of M, your mouth is closed and you go But when you say the sound for N, you put your tongue behind your two front teeth and you go n, n, n. Okay? And it kind of comes from behind, like in your nose a little bit, actually. N sound. N, n, n. This is how you make a capital N. It's kind of like making an M, actually, except you're just missing it going back up. So I'll show you. You start at the ceiling, you make a straight line down, ribbit. Please go back to the top. Then go down, slanted line down, and straight back up, and then you stop. That's it. Now, if you start at the bottom, you might get mixed up. So please do not start your letters at the bottom, okay? Where do you start your letters? At the top. So you go down, ribbit, back to the top, slanted line down, up, okay? Let's do it again. Down, ribbit, back to the top, slanted line down, up. That's N. Now, lowercase n is almost exactly like lowercase m, except it's only one lump instead of two. So you start at the dotted line right there. You go down. You do not pick up your pencil. You do not rib it. You just go right back up on top of the line and you make a lump. Watch. Down, right back up on top of the line, make a lump. Down, right back up on top of the line, make a lump. Now, I've seen kids do it like this before, where they start at the bottom and they make a lump like this, and then they're like, wait, that doesn't look right. And then they come over here and they make this weird looking line. Nope, you're not supposed to do that. This is how I know if you're starting at the bottom. You don't have a line there if you're starting at the bottom, because the line comes from making your straight line down, and then you go back up, and when you make the lump, there's that line, see? So if you start at the bottom and you just go around, you won't have the line. So don't start at the bottom, you have to start at the top of the letter. Good. Also, I would like to write a sentence using our word this week. And our word is the word this. And it's a tricky word because it has the which is two letters that go together, th, the, and then is, this. Now that is our word this week. So I'm gonna think of a sentence that has the word this in it. You can say, this, we'll start with the word this. Capital T because it's the beginning of a sentence. T, H, I, S. So this is our sight word, and it says this, make a space, is. Is I, s. It's only two letters, is. This is my. We know my because that's one of our sight words. My, M, Y. This is my, two finger space. Let's do mom. Ah. This is my mom. Am I done with my sentence? Nope. Gotta have a period, right? So now, I have a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I have spaces in between each word, and I have a period at the end of my sentence. Let's say I wanted to write something else. Maybe I want to write, I like this. I could say, I, that's our word that we had last week. I, make a space, like. Now we haven't learned like yet, but we're about to. So I'm just going to tell you how. But make a space, and then it's like is spelled L. I is a short little line with a dot that floats. K is a tall line. The duck's beak, you move over, it starts right on the dotted line, and it goes out, in and out like a slide. Then E, hit the ball out, up and around the bases. I like, make a space, and we're gonna write our sight word, this. TH, the. TH, the. This. I like this. Now I want to say that excited. I don't want to just say, I like this. I want to say, I like this. So I'm not going to put a period. I'm going to put an exclamation point where you make a line and then a little dot. So there's the period, but this line means you're going to say it excited. It's called an exclamation point. That's a period, so I'm just going to read this regular. This is my mom. And then this one I'm going to say it excited. I like this! Because that's an exclamation point.